Hi friends, welcome to our channel Explore Art. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon. Hello friends, have you ever seen a lotus? The national flower of our country India. This is a lotus, but it is not the real lotus. This is made with the paper origami. So let's start how to make a lotus. Okay, so let us start. Take a square paper, make a triangle fold first. It is also called the diaper fold. Then do the same fold, crossing the first one. Then do the belly fold. Bring these two vertices and join them together. And this fold is called sink fold or fish fold. Now pick one of the flaps, bring to the top, do the another, turn the paper and do the same thing from both sides. Now here you can see a division here in both sides. So turn one flap and see there is no any kind of division. So bring them to the front and this will be inverted. Now you can see a small hole here, and in the opposite corner you can see the flaps. So put the side which have had the hole in the bottom, and now do the kite fold and bring a little forward from the middle crease. Do the same on the left. Again do the same thing on another side. Now insert any one of these flaps into another, the neighbor one. Do the same with opposite side. Now it is the turn to blow. It will be swollen like this. Now slowly the flower petals will be bloomed. the lotus flowers. Isn't it? Then take a green sheet and roll from one corner it will look like a cone shaped thing. Now put the glue and stick it. This will be the stalk of the flower or the stem. Now insert the stalk into the hole in the bottom of the flower. And this is our national flower, lotus.